Bertie, the CEO of the Schizophrenia Society of Ontario, and I just want to congratulate CAMH for their beautiful redevelopment, and we look forward to continued collaborations with CAMH and our organization.
Hi, my name is Leslie Miller, and I identify as a person with concurrent mood disorders, and I'm also an addict in recovery. And I'm here today as a peer constituency member of the CAMH board to acknowledge and applaud their great efforts and this wonderful progress that they've made with these great new buildings, and the people behind it are wonderful. I want to acknowledge and applaud them, and the humanity that's contained within these buildings, and all the people that are going to be helped with this entire facility that's going on here. And I'm also here because I'm both a proud and humble member of the Dream Team. Please look that up. It's thedreamteam.ca. It's a wonderful networking opportunity for myself, being that I'm on the outreach committee of the Dream Team. And great applause, and looking forward to much more progress in the future. Thank you so much.
Get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling.